Hey pals, so today we are going to learn about grounds. There are three types of grounds: foreground, middle ground, and background. First, we will learn what the foreground is. We will draw a nature drawing here, which is the easiest to draw and very easy to explain all these three grounds. Normally, foreground is where the object looks very closer to your eyes is foreground. We will draw a coconut tree now. So here you can see the coconut tree is very closer to your eyes. You can see it near to you. So this is the foreground. Now we will go towards the middle ground. Middle ground is where the objects looks at distance to your eyes is the middle ground. Now here you can see this boat and water looks at little distance and which is after the coconut tree. So that is the middle ground. Now we will see the background. Background is where the object looks at distance or far from your eyes is the background. So here you can see our foreground, middle ground and background drawing is done. Now we will go for coloring. So normally for foreground you have to pick dark colors. Foreground normally has dark colors. We are going to show grass here. So for grass I am using yellow marker first and then I'll be shading after upon it with the green marker. Just the way shown in the video. Here you can see your green grass. Now our coconut tree. Same, we are showing green branches or green leaves, so we have to do it the same way. Just pick the colors according to the nature, or you can give any color. The drawing is a colorful word where you can use all your imagination. Now little coconuts. Kindly observe how I color it and just use the same tricks while coloring. Now we will draw the middle ground. Our foreground color is done. Now the middle ground coloring. For middle ground you have to use little lighter color than the foreground. this is water. Water is always blue. Normally water has no color, but in drawing, yes, water is always blue. Kindly observe how can you show little waves with the colors. And now this is our background. We are coloring sky. Background always have lighter colors than the foreground and middle ground. Here's a small boat. You can color it whatever you want. And here is our drawing ready. Our coloring is also ready. Now you can see the difference between foreground, middle ground and background, and even the coloring